Hey guys, welcome back to Adventures with Abigail. Today I went to cheer and I got something that I want to open out to you too. So, this thing I've been looking for so long and it was very expensive and I got it for pretty cheap today. It is a fidget mystery box. I'm so excited about this. So let's get started. Okay. So I gotta take off the tape. Sorry if you see a hand because my sister's up there and my brother is too. So you might hear some background noise. And my dad downstairs is looking at his coin collection.
And he's yelling.
And he is kind of
close the door.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't go through it.
He's okay. I'm literally just taking off the tape. Nothing has happened. As you can see, I'm in my Squishmallow corner. This is like my new filming spot for when I'm in my room for filming. Because usually my mom is filming, but today she's not. So, you know, it's just okay. So usually she's in the background like talking, not bathroom. Usually she's in the background like talking and stuff, but
Instead we are.
Okay, so it comes in this little bag, and I'm gonna do it one at a time. So I'm not gonna look.
Like so
I'll
much.
close
your eyes when you pick stuff. There's like
Gabe,
so
I
much.
said not yet. I'm okay. I'm gonna face it.
There's
this way.
like actually so much things. Pick one thing.
There's one there. I'm gonna go with this.
Whoa.
Ooh, cool.
Okay.
It's a little crab.
Show
puppet.
them. Show them. Show them.
Oh, look at the box.
Yeah, it's
They're
just like
small,
it's just like mine right here.
which I have on my phone.
Why would you have them?
That is so cute. Okay, I love that first thing.
Pick.
This feels like a wacky track. Oh my god, it's a wacky
I
track.
got it right.
I love wacky
They
tracks.
need to see which color it is. Pick.
I'm going with. I think this is a rare. I've actually never seen one of these in pink. I've seen them in white and black, but not pink.
Same. I think that's
Why would
actually
you
a rare.
just throw it out if it's rare?
Oh, wait.
Huh, comes with
Oh,
the feature.
cool.
You can
So,
put it
like,
on
I
your
can
backpack.
pat it on my back.
You're fun. You're fun. You're fun. Show
It's
them.
good quality. Oh my god.
Show them it now.
This is such good quality. You see that? That is so sick.
I like.
I mean, it looks like-
how it spins.
So
and
there's
I
a
actually
purple, a red, and a pink.
I
Why does this remind me?
Orange.
Oh, an orange. It looks right on here, but it's orange because I was looking at the camera, not the actual thing. But whatever. So why does this remind me so much of Valentine's Day colors? Ready? Listen to the
what?
pops.
About what does it remind me of?
Valentine's Day colors.
Oh.
A poppy ball. Oh my god, it's lemon lime poppy ball.
I forgot to close your eyes.
Okay, I didn't look.
Oh, do you see this just sticking out? Just show it to them.
Pop tube. Oh, a red pop tube.
It's orange.
Oh yeah, it is orange.
I'll put it in a pile.
No, I wanted to look at the pops.
Everything that you tell them is red, but it's actually orange.
Okay, shut up.
You're colorblind.
So
Here's the
I
pop
love Sprite, and this reminds me so much of Sprite.
Show them it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Show them it.
Love it so much. Gabe, you don't need to close my
I'm
eyes.
closing your eyes.
I wanted this.
That's not. No.
I've seen this on YouTube,
Could
and
you
I
take it out?
no, I don't want to.
But you
I've
could.
seen, yeah, you can. I've seen this on YouTube, and I so much wanted
Are
this.
there the metal things that
Oh my
stick?
No,
Oh, maybe there's the metal
I
things.
actually wanted this so badly.
Wait, I'm gonna looking at the mystery box for a second.
Okay. Ooh, a purple pop tube. This reminds me of Halloween colors now. Because I got a orange
Oh,
pop
you're
tube.
guaranteed it.
No, they're not guaranteed.
Kinda.
Just because it's on the case doesn't mean that. Oh, I got a puzzle ball. Cool.
Oh, it's right here. Look. But Abby, look. It has a Jewish star.
Yeah, I know.
What?
Kind of want that.
Okay. When I throw that, you need to add a detail that just like this.
This is so
But when I throw it, It makes
That's so
a
cool.
big.
Okay. I'm gonna do that kind of. Pink monkey noodle. I've never seen.
Ow!
Sorry, I don't think I have a pink monkey noodle. I'm so excited to add that. Ooh, a blue
Are you
monkey
excited to
noodle.
hit me in the face?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm honestly just gonna.
Sisters hate.
Ooh, I got a
Whatever it's called.
yeah, what is it called?
I don't know.
Abby, this is a light.
Oh my god. I have it in my head.
Marble mash.
Yes, marble mesh. Thank you.
These are the lights.
I got another wacky track, different colors. Okay, this is really cool. Ooh, I love wacky tracks. It's orange and blue. These are blue. I got a pink globble. My pink one actually popped, so I'm glad about this.
You should be. Can I see it?
No.
I'm seeing it.
You listen so well. Stop. Don't do that, please. I'm going to pull out all the spike balls. Because I got us 2 spike balls. Oh my god. Cotton candy vibes. Totally much. Like so much cotton candy vibes. I got another marble mesh. I don't have this one. That's really cool. Oh my god. I got a pink acupressure ring. A pink acupressure ring. I've never seen a pink acupressure ring.
Who are you
Imagine
focusing
if I
on? This or Abby?
Imagine I just pull out a blue one. But no, it's gold. It's okay.
What's this pink?
I have this peanut popper, or not a peanut popper,
Peanut
pea popper. On the box it did have a peanut popper, so.
Peanut.
Okay, stop. Here, what? I got one of
You
these
talking about
little-
Oh, I have one of those.
You dropped it.
Sorry about that in the camera. I have one of those. Yay!
Her face is stuck like.
Why were you smelling it?
Me?
It smells good.
Why?
I
It smells like gas.
It smells really good. No, it doesn't. Oh my god, it actually
I
smells
like
really
it, but it smells like gas.
good. No, it doesn't.
You like the smell?
Why does this remind me of a beach ball factory?
Don't know.
It has little beach balls inside. I'm gonna say. And then there's a big beach ball outside.
Wait, is there such thing as a beach ball factory?
Abby,
Or
look
like
at,
a rubber factory.
Abby, look at this.
I actually love this.
Abby,
smell.
do you remember it?
I think this might be my new favorite smell.
So after this, we're gonna do a cheer one.
Yeah, so go on, check that out.
Cause we just went
And
to the
go-
mermaid one.
And go check
Churchill Town.
Game I Choose You.
Yeah.
We just
Go
went to
check
the
these
mermaid
YouTube
one, and we saw like a lot of dogs.
Wait, actual dogs?
Yeah.
How many?
Like a bunch.
But our brother wasn't there, so he doesn't know
Okay.
about it.
I really don't.
Guys, that was such a
I was at
good-
soccer.
Yeah.
That was such a good box. Like, I love everything that came in it. I got a
Poppable.
Poppet ball
Look at
that
these.
remind me of Sprite vibes.
But these can actually stick together.
I got 2 marble mesh.
These can stick together.
I got those 2
Rings.
sea urchins. I got 2 acupressure rings. I got 2
Gobble.
tubes.
And a gobble.
Got 2 Annie. Don't show for me, please. I want to show by myself.
Okay, I'm making a candy.
Candy. Isn't this satisfying?
Get back to work.
Abby, look. Look what it does. Walk your way out.
Thank you. I got a puzzle ball.
looks like the earth is rising.
A blue and pink monkey noodle. Seriously. Cotton candy mine. I got 2
I want to
wacky
see.
tracks.
I don't know if this is cotton candy, guys.
Got a puzzle ball. I got a very good pop
Is that
and
cotton candy vibe?
spinner. This and this give me cotton candy music.
Yeah,
And I love these pops.
But
Like, you can't hear them, but it's really
But
sad.
I love these pops. Well, maybe a little. Maybe they can hear them a little.
Pea popper. And last but certainly not least, I think this might be my favorite actually.
That you got. I want you to take it out and show
You
them.
can't.
Yes, you said what you can. I want to see the box.
Okay. Look how satisfying this looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay. We're gonna listen to the puppet.
Put it close up to the camera.
For my outro.
It's actually my puppet. Your camera just fell.
Guys, that was supposed to be the outro. Just kidding. Okay. I'm gonna pick you back up and we should try that again. Ready? Bye.